Hi, today we're going to make soy sauce beef. And what it does is very simple. But it takes more time. Wait a minute for a cauliflower. After watching this video, you must be able to replicate it perfectly. Beef brisket, whether fresh or frozen. Soak the bleeding water with water in advance. Drain. Pour in the right amount of light soy sauce, 2.5 kgs of beef. I used about 200 grams of soy sauce to mix well. Put it in the refrigerator and marinate for at least 6 hours. Flip once halfway through. It is better to have time to spend the night. All materials are here. I will write the brief. Just pick some you have at home and put them away. Put the soaked beef tendon into the pot together with the sauce. 2.5 kgs of beef tendons, 200 克 soy sauce, 2 liters of water. Boil over high heat. Skim the foam. The reason for not putting the spice first, it's easy to scoop out the spices when skimming. Another handful of rock candy, a spoonful of soybean paste. Try a spoonful of sweet noodle sauce. It tastes slightly saltier than soup. Reduce to minimum heat and simmer for 3 hours. If your pot honey is good enough, the water level won't drop too much. The main purpose of opening the lid is to let everyone see the water level. Open the lid and turn off the fire. Keep soaking. Naturally cool down. Cover the beef with plastic wrap. Refrigerate for 2 hours. To help you test it, can it be cut after freezing for 15 分钟? The result is not very good. Remember not to be lazy. You will cut very neatly. You can cut it very thin and eat it directly, or drizzle with oil and splash with chili. I prefer the latter. The part of the cow tendon pushes the hind leg first, the heart of the cow tendon, secondly, the tendon of the front leg. These two parts, it's the so-called 5-pronged and 3-pronged fingers. Finally, the head meeting.